Hey everyone, welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you my implementation of Project Wiki. Project Wiki is an Harvard University CS50 Web Programming with Python and JavaScript course assignment that requires you to build a small Wikipedia-like website with some basic functionalities. So let's begin to see this project. This is the index page of our encyclopedia. And as you can see, there is a list listing all the pages currently available, currently loaded in our encyclopedia. Clicking on any of these voices will open the corresponding page and will show you the content of the encyclopedia entry regarding the argument. You can visit an entry page by simply changing the URL to the title of another website page, like this. Of course, if you don't know the title of every encyclopedia entry, there is a search function available for you. If you search the exact title of an entry page, you are automatically brought to that entry page and all the content is shown. But you can also make partial search like this. Let's search YTH and all the results matching this partial string are shown. Let's search, for example, only the letter J. We have two search results. Clicking the Create New Page option, you're brought to this web page in which you can create a new encyclopedia entry. You have to choose a title for the new entry and insert the content following the Markdown syntax. But what happens if the title we are choosing already exists? For example, I want to create a page titled Python, and the content is Python is a modern programming language. If I try to save this page, an error is shown stating that the page already exists. So I have to change the title. Let's say Python 2, for example, and save. A new page is created. I'm immediately brought to that page I just created, and the content is shown. Also, if I navigate to the home page, I can see the new page right here. As you may have noticed, in every single entry page, there is this link, Edit this page, which allows you to edit the entry page. Let's click it, and we are brought to the page editor. We cannot choose the title of the entry page because the title is already set, but we can change the content. The content of the previous page is already automatically loaded, and we can modify it by following the Markdown syntax. For example, I'm adding the title here. Let's save the page, and here we are in our updated page. Another function present in this online encyclopedia is the random page function. Every time you click it, you are brought to a random entry page. Let's try a few clicks. As I mentioned before, each entry page is written following the Markdown syntax. This, for example, is the HTML entry page on our encyclopedia. As you can see, there is the hashtag, meaning that this is the title of the page. There are the stars that indicates the single voices of a list. And this is how the page looks like. But how it's done? The conversion happens server-side using the Markdown 2 Python package. In particular, via this Markdown function, passing the Markdown text of the entry. Now let's visit one last entry page. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.